beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shweta and today's video we're going to do PR unboxing. This has to be my first PR unboxing video on YouTube. As you know that when it comes to hauls and PR unboxing, I don't want to put a sense of urgency into people's head that they need everything, and I've been very mindful about my PR unboxing even on Instagram stories. Now I'm very blessed. My job is such that brands do send me new products to test, new products to just enjoy as gifts. Sometimes it gets a little overwhelming, and what I do is I collect a lot of it and I do give it away. Now when I say give it away, I give it to family, but most importantly there's a working women's hostel right next to me and I give it to them. And even hospitals, like when I visit a certain hospital and I know the doctor's in charge, I will give them a bag full of it so that they can distribute it to their nurses. And most other times I do giveaways on Instagram as well as on YouTube. But today's PR unboxing, the brands were very kind enough to send that, and I just wanted to showcase the new products that they have. If you have a budget to shop, then you want something new, then this video will help you. But please keep in mind, let it not create any FOMO. Buy only what you need, you guys. If you feel out of the list that I'm showing you that one item or two item has caught your attention, go for it. You don't need everything, alright? So before I do, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, be a part of my channel, please. Just make sure that check whether you have subscribed to the channel, and if you have not, then this is the right time for you to do so, and follow me at Shweta Vijayanai, which is my Instagram account. So let's begin. The first one is from a brand that I've not spoken about for a very long time, and I've got my reasons for it. So Just Herb has sent me their eyeshadow palette. This is the Herb Enriched 9-in-1 eyeshadow palette, you guys. They sent me two. It's got Mangista, it's got licorice root extract, this is the night palette and this is the day palette. So the night palette has got all beautiful cool tones to it. As you can see, it's got those jewel tones to it. This is the shimmer texture. Very nice. Look at that blue out there. Oh, I love a good blue eyeshadow. And this is a vibrant blue. It's got a nice soft matte texture to it. Probably out of the two palettes, I want to give one for the giveaway. This is the day palette. Look at that. It's got beautiful tones to it. It's got nice pink, it's got peach, it's got browns to it. It's got a nice lavender tone. It's such a travel, summer friendly, everyday kind of a palette. So I think this can go for a giveaway. So that's what I'm going to do. Then the next thing that they sent me was the anti-acne foaming face wash. So this one is for all skin type. It reduces acne and soothes irritated skin. Mint and tea tree is something that you've got to be very careful with if you've got acne breakouts. This retails for $3.95 and you're getting quite a big size of it. The Just Herbs Nourishing Body Milk. So this is the Nourishing Body Milk Coconut and Almond. So let me smell this and see. It definitely has a tiny hint of coconutty fragrance. Now from Love Earth, because I love that brand so much, I think I've spoken about their lipsticks. Their liquid mattes are some of my favorite liquid mattes. They're very comfortable for me. They were kind enough to send me all of their glosses, okay? So these are the Gloss It Up lip glosses. This is their new launch and they sent me 9 of their shades, you guys. So at that packaging right here, and that diamond kind of lip gloss reminds me of the Fenty Beauty diamond lip gloss, you guys. So let me apply this. It's got tiny specks of that iridescent shimmer to it. It's not like that tacky finish. Ooh, love it. Man, this brand is killing it, yeah? Let's take another one. This is called Dreamy Night. I love this color. Look at that nice milk chocolate color to it. Oh, that's so nice. Beautiful shine, not sticky at all, very subtle vanilla hint coming through. Oh, I love that gloss. Thank you so much, Love Earth, and can't wait to do more videos with this. These are from Henna Haina Beauty. I love Henna Haina's blushes. They're so pigmented, very similar to Rare Beauty. And these are their cream eyeshadows, some shimmers, some mattes. These are exact alternatives of the Danessa Myricks one. Let me show you one of their shimmery shades, you guys. Even the tube packaging, everything reminds me of Danessa Myricks. A little goes a long way with these cream shadows. Oh, look at that shine. You can use this as a highlighter, you can use this as your eyeshadow thing. And they've got a black one that's like this matte black effect. This is the outside, inside packaging. You can use this for your smoky effect, for your eyeliner. Once it sets, it just doesn't budge. I'm really excited to try this particular shade. This is Heliotrope. It's got a nice purpley matte finish, I think. Okay, there you go. beautiful as an eyeliner, on your waterline, or just as an eyeshadow. How pretty. Thank you once again for sending me these cream shadows. Now these products I'm super excited to try because it's a Korean brand and this is launched at limes.com. I've heard so many people in the UK talk about it and I have tried it. This is the Zero Velvet Rome and ND. How do you pronounce this? Man, I'm too old for this. So this is the Zero Velvet tint, you guys, and this shade is called 23 Vintage Taupe. It's got a beautiful moussey-like texture. Let me just show this to you. This is the inside packaging. Look at that. It's got a nice frosted glass-like effect, almost like a velvety glass. See that texture. Very Korean kind of a kissed effect just out here, as if you've got a bite on your lips of Frostbite. It is super comfortable on the lips. So they've sent me a couple of items actually. They've sent me their juicy lip tint, and then they've sent me another juicy lasting tint. Then they've sent me their mattifying lip matter. So this is something that you apply over your gloss. So this is a matte topper. And then they sent me a bullet lipstick, Zero Matte lipstick. And then they sent me another one. This is also the Glasting Water Tint, a tint that you can apply on your cheek. All of them you can apply on your cheek, on your eyelids, on your lips. So let's put one of the tints to a test. Okay, so this is a juicy tint. It's called 17 Plum Coke. Love the packaging out here. It's like applying water. Let me just show that how it is on the skin. So beautiful. It dries down beautifully. This should be going viral, not the black cherry one. And this really lasts. And I want to show you their bullet lipstick also. Okay, so this is their bullet matte, Zero Matte lipstick. Red Surfer it's called. Look at the packaging. This is what the red lipstick looks like. Look at the eyeshadow palette besides their lip gloss. Look at this pink palette. It reminds me of Huda Beauty's, you know, the pink nude palette that she has. Buttery, soft eyeshadow. Let's just swatch this. Yeah, can you see that? Buttery soft. Look at this glitter out here. Doesn't this remind you of the Huda Beauty one? Can you see how, oh, it's so stunning. Oh my god. Next is from Earth Rhythm, you guys, and I'm shook. They sent me their Matte Set Go foundations and Glow Set Go stroke creams and all of their lipsticks. So I have a bag full of their products again. So if you're looking out for a very good foundation that gives you the right amount of coverage but makes your skin look like skin, do not sleep on this, you guys. They've got like 14-15 shades. I've swatched all of the shades. Go to the description bar, check out my current favorite products from Earth Rhythm. Thank you so much, Earth Rhythm. I'm going to definitely put this in the giveaway. So I want to choose 3 winners. 1 fair skin tone, 1 medium skin tone, and 1 dark, deeper skin tone. All 3 of you will win something that is closer to your skin tone so that you can try it out. Just leave your feedback, whatever it is. You don't have to go overboard. Check that video, see the swatch, and come back and tell me what shade matches you, and I will send this to you. Let's move on to Paula's Choice. I think Paula's Choice India team sent me 2 skincare products, basically a backup to what I already have. This is the Paula's Choice Hyaluronic Acid Booster with ceramides. This is a beautiful hyaluronic acid because it's also got hydrating factors, you know, ceramides to it. Then the Super Antioxidant Concentrate Serum. This is their retinol, you guys, and Paula's Choice has made an incredible retinol that is hydrating. So this is just like a treatment kind of a product that is great for matured skin. So thank you so much for restocking my 2 favorites. Then we have Plum Goodness also sent me their PR box, you guys, and they've sent me their Prep Set Go primer. Then they have sent their Mattific lipstick. This is in the shade Hot Shot. Now all of the Mattific lipsticks, I have swatched it on YouTube, so you can check it out if you're thinking of buying these bullet lipsticks, which are totally worth the money. They've got some couple of new shades, so I think that's what they have sent out here. This is Upside Down Brown, is a brown that I really love. So let me show you. Such a lovely nude for deeper skin tone. Lovely brown nude. Yeah, so they've sent me a couple of their shades. They've sent me more things. Prep Set Go. The primer is really nice, you guys. It doesn't have too much of that silicone thing, and it really makes the makeup sit also really well. Raspberry Crush. I absolutely love this lipstick. If you're not a fan of red, but you're a fan of pinky red, then this is the one to go. It's bright, it's vibrant, it is so summer friendly, and it's very brown skin friendly lipstick. Thank you, Plum Goodness, for sending me your goodies. Now, from Cuffs and Lashes, they did send me a couple of their lipsticks, you guys. These lipsticks are extremely comfortable and lightweight, and I have enjoyed them. She sent me about 4-5 of the foundations. A couple of them I have put it for my giveaway. 202 Natural was very close to my skin tone. It's like a capsule sort of a foundation. How pretty is that? Even this is a bit too light for my skin tone, but I thought if I've got some color correctors that I can mix, you know, tones. Look at that. Too fair for my skin tone, but this is full coverage and it is matte. Okay, she also sent me their makeup mixer, Revive and Mix, which I love. This is something that you can revive any dried out product, your Smashbox, your Inglot, whatever has dried down, even your nail polish. Take a couple of drops out here and it just brings it back to life. Then from the house of Mama Earth sent me their lipsticks, guys. They have sent me a full box of their products. I have put so many of their lipsticks already for my giveaway pile. Their liquid mattes I have tried, you guys, and it has got that tacky, sticky feel to it, but once it sets, it's quite comfortable. There is this deep red color. This is in the shade Chirpy Cherry 04. Now these liquid mattes takes a long time to dry down. It's a beautiful red lipstick that will suit all skin tones, especially deeper, darker skin tone. Let me just apply this particular shade called 07 Beat It Red, and I like to just apply it right on the middle. Just on the middle section, it is a little bright and then it is dark. Let me swatch it on the back of my hand and you'll understand. Beautiful red. They are quite comfortable, very reasonable. This one, this is called the Vitamin C and Hyaluronic Acid Hydro Glow CC Serum. I'm shook at how good this one is. I have tried this because I was thinking maybe I should do Mama Earth video, not at all a collab, but just I have some of their products which I wanted to just talk about and, you know, tell you guys what I like, what I didn't like. Now from Blur Cosmetics, this is the Dude Don't Touch My Gloss. I got a couple of their glosses. I love their glosses. Very lightweight, very pigmented. So these are the 3 glosses that I got from Blur. So the first one is Soft Brown. One of them I've already featured in my Instagram video. This is a soft peachy gloss, very nice for people with fair skin tone, and it's not that high shine glass kind of thing, but I have been enjoying these glosses a lot. The second one is Chocolate Brown. This is perfect for medium to deep tan skin tone, I would say. Even if you've got darker skin tone, you can make this one work. So that is for fair. This one is medium tan all the way to deep, also can enjoy this. Now for my deep skin beauties, I found a beautiful plum, pinky plum mauve shade. Finally there is a brand that makes mauve plum shade. Look at that color. It turns into a beautiful pinky lilac on the lips. So let me swatch this one for you. Look at that. And it is phenomenal, this lip gloss. And of all the shades, the chocolate brown as well as the plum is my absolute favorite. I'm finishing off this video with Dot & Key. You guys, they were kind enough to send me the Watermelon Cooling Sunscreen, the Watermelon Super Glow Pore Tightening Toner. They've sent me the Watermelon Super Glow. This is the gel face wash, something I absolutely love. These are superb. Then the last one, the 2% Hyaluronic Oil Control Face Wash 2%. This is from Dermaco, you guys. They also sent me the matte face lotion, and then they have the mattifying 100% mineral powder sunscreen. It's nice top up, but I don't think powder sunscreen does much. But what I will ask you to buy are their sunscreen sticks, and this is absolutely worth every penny. It is incredible. So that completes my first PR unboxing. If you want me to do more PR unboxing, please let me know and I shall do it for you. Do leave your feedback in the comment section. Don't forget to participate in the Earth Rhythm giveaway. Go watch the swatch video, my last Earth Rhythm video, and get back to me on what your shade is, and I will select 3 winners. I love you guys so much, and until later, bye for now.